Do you want to speak English fast? Do you want to make sentences quickly and easily? If yes, then this lesson is for you. Many people can understand English but struggle to speak because they cannot build sentences fast. Today, we will help you solve this problem. Stay with us until the end, and you will learn useful techniques to make sentences quickly. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. It helps us a lot and motivates us to create more lessons for you. Why sentence building is important. Speaking English is like building a house. If you don't have the right materials, your house will not be strong. In English, words are your materials, and sentence structures are your tools. If you can quickly put words together, you will speak more naturally and with confidence. Many learners know vocabulary but cannot form sentences fast. This lesson will show you how to train your brain to make sentences instantly. 1. Think in simple sentence structures. Many beginners try to make long and complex sentences. This slows them down and causes mistakes. Instead, focus on simple sentence structures. Start with short sentences like, I like coffee. She goes to school. We play football. Once you are comfortable, you can expand your sentences. I like coffee in the morning. She goes to school every day. We play football on Sundays. Training your brain to form simple sentences first will help you speak faster. 2. Use sentence patterns. There are common patterns in English that you can practice. For example, Pattern 1. Subject plus verb plus object. I eat an apple. She reads a book. Pattern 2. Subject plus verb plus adjective. The sky is blue. This food is delicious. Pattern 3. Subject plus verb plus preposition plus noun. He goes to the park. We sit on the chair. Practicing these patterns will help you make sentences without thinking too much. 3rd, shadowing technique. Shadowing is a powerful technique. Listen to a simple English sentence and repeat it immediately. Try to copy the rhythm and speed of the speaker. This helps your brain get used to forming sentences quickly. For example, listen, I am going to the store. Repeat, I am going to the store. Try to say it faster each time. Do this daily, and you will see a big improvement. 4. Use questions and answer training. Train your brain to respond fast by practicing questions and answers. Question: What do you do in the morning? Answer: I wake up and drink coffee. Question: Where do you live? Answer: I live in New York. This technique helps you think fast and respond naturally. 5th, practice with a timer. Set a timer for 1 minute and try to make as many sentences as possible. For example, pick a word. Dog. Make sentences. The dog is running. My dog is small. I see a dog in the park. This exercise forces you to think quickly and improves fluency. Use common phrases. Memorizing common phrases helps you speak faster. Some examples: I think that, I don't know, can you help me? When you know these phrases well, you don't need to think too much when speaking. 7. Describe what you see. Look around and describe what you see in English. For example, the sky is blue. A man is walking on the street. I see a red car. This helps your brain get used to forming sentences naturally. 8. Speak without translating. One big problem for learners is translating from their native language. This makes speaking slow. Instead, train your brain to think in English. If you see a cat, don't think that is a cat in your language first. Just think cat in English. A good exercise is to take simple sentences and say them directly in English. I am hungry. The weather is nice today. She is my friend. The more you practice this, the faster you will speak. Ninth, storytelling. Practice telling short stories in English. It is a great way to build fluency. Start with simple sentences. Yesterday I woke up early, I made breakfast, then I went to work. Then make the story longer. Yesterday I woke up early because I had a meeting. I made coffee and toast. Then I took a bus to work. Practicing storytelling will help you form sentences quickly. 10. Join our Telegram group. Practicing alone is good, but practicing with others is even better. Join our Telegram group where you can find English-speaking partners. The link is in the caption. You can chat, practice speaking, and improve your sentence-building skills with real people. Now it's your turn. Try these techniques and tell us in the comments. Which tip do you find most useful? Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. If this lesson helped you, share it with your friends so they can learn too. Sure, here's a lengthy and powerful conclusion. For your lesson, designed to motivate learners and reinforce the value of practicing sentence-building techniques. Conclusion. Learning to speak English fluently is not something that happens overnight. It is a journey that requires consistent effort, the right techniques, and most importantly, a strong desire to improve. In this lesson, we shared 10 powerful methods to help you think faster, build sentences more easily, and speak English more confidently. These techniques are not just tips. They are proven strategies used by successful language learners around the world. Remember, understanding English is only one part of the process. Speaking it quickly and naturally is where true fluency begins. By focusing on simple sentence structures, using sentence patterns, shadowing native speakers, and practicing with timers, you are training your brain to become faster and more confident. When you describe your surroundings, use common phrases, or answer questions quickly, you're building the foundation of strong, natural English communication. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are signs that you are learning. Every sentence you speak, even if it's simple, is a step forward. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep thinking in English. The more you use the language in real situations, the more fluent you will become. Also, don't isolate yourself. Join our Telegram group to connect with others who are on the same journey. Practicing with real people is one of the fastest ways to improve your fluency and gain confidence. So, what are you waiting for? Start applying these techniques today. Make English a part of your daily life. Speak it, read it, write it, and live it. Success doesn't come from one big effort. It comes from small steps repeated every single day. If you found this lesson helpful, please show your support by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and turning on the notification bell. Share this lesson with your friends and help them become fluent English speakers too. We believe in you, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next lesson with even more tips, stories, and strategies to help you master English. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Let's keep learning, keep practicing, and keep moving toward English fluency together.